So how are you doing today? It's just 30 days are left for 2020. So what's your resolution for 2020? Whether you really want to change your life or you want to continue same boring job. Let's do something big. So as you can check above statement, I've written the one application, that is the one application which can change your life. Alright, and that is a genuine, legit, debt-free company like Instagram or Paytm. Instagram has changed so many people's life. Paytm has also. Paytm also only provide a cashback, that's it, and some cheap and best services, that's it. However, here I'm going to talk about the Nexmoney, which is going viral nowadays. And by the way, right now I'm in front of Radisson Hotel. It's a nice property. Air pollution, too much air pollution now. Next, in my next Facebook live, I'll keep it into my mind that I should stay away from this noise or air pollution or noise pollution. Alright, anyhow, so my main aim, my main agenda of today, giving this Facebook live is to monitor you, coach you, guide you, help you, and to build your downline. Why I'm giving this Facebook live? Just to build those who are struggling online or offline business, so that they can also learn together. So if you are anywhere you are struggling, you can just comment below, and then I'll be happy to help you. Please share this video to your friends, relatives, neighbor, especially those who are who have background of network marketing, or those who are looking for something, good opportunity. And because there is no shortcut to get master in one niche, that is network marketing or direct selling industry. So my aim is to build your downline as well. And why I'm giving this Facebook live? So that I can wherever you are lacking, I can fill those gaps. And my main aim is to create more and more entrepreneurs from this planet, so that we can build our own team, a big team, a global team. Alright, so there are lots of things which are going to come. There are lots of things which are still in the pipeline, and I'll help you out definitely. So yeah, so my question is, please comment below if you think so. If you don't know, then please comment below, so that I can help you. I can assist, help you there. So yeah, which is the biggest asset in this world? I am repeating my question again. Which is the biggest asset in this world? You can mention below, and you can write down. If you are wrong, don't worry, just answer it and I'll make you correct. Alright? Yeah. So there is a app, Nexmoney, that is Indian app, and this app is going viral. Many people who does who pay their bills through Paytm, Google Pay, and stuff like that, they can also use Nexmoney app payment, and definitely it's a recurring basis. So you will get cashback as well. And second source of income is, you will, if you refer others, you will get paid. So mind it, it's a 178 crore project. Please do not mind it, do not take it lightly. Yes, certainly it's a 178 crore project, and where you can earn I mean, it's an equal opportunity, and you can make as much as you can. You can work along with the job. You can work along with the any business, any sort of work. And if you are freelancing, if you are doing anything, any work, you can work with us. And this is great app application, and yeah. So that's how you can convert your liability into asset. All right. So your bills can be your asset here. So cool. All right. So please, my suggestion would be, I would highly recommend you to download that application, and just explore it. And there is a one-time tiny investment, very minute investment, and you can become. That's how you can become a shareholder of that company. All right. So company has started 2 years ago, on 2017. That company has launched, and from where now it's going viral, and they are making many people's life better. I mean, they are impacting people's life better in a positive way. So I would highly recommend you to just go through it and explore it, and if you like it, you can use it. And the best part which I like is they are more focused toward their training part. I mean, I've seen so many people in their traditional business or in physical business, they go to seminars and all. They bring people, 2 people, 5 people for seminar, and then they go for a seminar. Nevertheless, here there is always a training goes morning or evening time, 7 p.m. and that's how you can work actively. And there's a Zoom app where you can go for training, and you are sitting any part of the world. From there you can access that training. All right. So please go through it, and here you can comment below if you have any query. So this is it for today. Meet you very soon, and I will be happy to see you inside. All right. Take care. See you. Bye bye, and be ready for 2020. Let's do something big and something unique as a team, because teamwork makes dream work. Thank you. Bye bye. See you. Jai Hind.